Hello, Rockbridge Recalculus. This is going to consist only of slides because at the moment making the video may require better resources than I have. So right now we're talking about solving systems of equations in 3 variables. Remember, your goal is to reduce it from 3 equations in 3 variables to 2 equations in 2 variables. Here's the first system. Following the steps at the bottom, I label all 3 equations so I can tell what I'm doing, and add first one set of equations, or one pair, and then another pair, reducing my system of 3 equations in 3 variables to 2 equations in the same 2 variables. You have to be careful that you eliminate the same variable. Solve the new system, take the result, plug it back in, take that result, plug it back into one of the original, and finally check your result in all 3 equations. Please do pause this and make sure you understand. If your system consists of equations which don't all have all 3 variables in them, you may be able to use substitution instead. Here I've replaced z in the top and bottom equations with 3x, gotten a new, again, system of 2 equations in 2 variables, and solved that system, plugged back in, taken the result, plugged back in again, check the solution in all 3 equations. Now here's everyone's favorite, a word problem. In this case, you'll notice that one of the pieces of information they give you says that she makes 83% of her 86 attempts. That means they tell you how many free throws she actually makes. So x is 71. If you plug that in, you have a system of just 2 equations and 2 variables. Solve it, plug in, solve it, plug in, and finally check it. Now, for this last slide, go ahead and ignore the word problem at the bottom. We may talk about this in class, but for now, don't worry about it. I've solved all 3 equations. I'm just going to leave this for you. I'd like you to see if you can follow the work. Notice that the last problem is an example of one that does not have a solution. That's it. Please watch over this again. Make sure you understand what I'm talking about, at least the central concept. Fill in your notes, and then in class, we will work on the homework in class. See you tomorrow, or possibly today.